Okay, so restart a new project. So goes to file, add avatar. Okay, so okay, then you draw a rectangle. You can draw a rectangle here. So then rotate this one. Okay, top of the head lah. Okay, so then select this one, internal eclipse. Okay, select this one, right click, convert to whole. Okay, and then press to space bar, or you can press this one. Okay, so you can reset your arrangement, 3D arrangement. Okay, space bar again. Okay, so this you can use this pinch to adjust the cloth. Okay, you also can edit the curvatures here using these edit patterns. So you can add the points. For example, you can add the points here, okay, and then add the points here, okay, for example. Okay, so then you edit the patterns. See, this one go up, this one go up, this one go up. Okay, this one go up, this one maybe you go up. Okay, so add another points for another side. Edit the curvatures. This one, okay, this one you want to edit the curvatures will like this, so longest. So this one, transform the circles up with. Okay, so press again. Rearrange. Okay, spacebar again, drag. So now this is your new cloth lah. Okay, new patterns okay. So